Lucy Mudhui. Now moving on, Senate Majority Whip Dr. Boni Khalwale has condemned the government's controversial decision to eliminate the national examination fee waiver, calling it a major setback for equitable education. Speaking in Kakamega County, Senator Khalwale warned the move risks disenfranchising children from poor families, turning basic education into a privilege for the wealthy. The Kakamega senator insisted that the burden of exam fees should only be placed on students in private schools, where parents are better positioned to shoulder the cost. Khalwale further emphasized that the government's role is to ensure access to education for all, not to create barriers that deepen inequality.
Kenya tumeamka kwa mshtuko leo. Tumesoma katika vyombo vya habari, tunaambiwa kwamba sasa watoto wetu ambao wanastahili kukalia mitihani ya kitaifa, serikali imependua ile free examination. Sasa president anasema kuanzia next year wazazi waanze kulipa examination fee. President William Ruto, my brother, listen to me, don't go there. Watu maskini, they will drop out of school. Ukihitaji wao walipe pesa ya mitihani, that one, no. Mr. President, sir, if you want children to pay examination fee, basi sawa, wacha watoto wa matajiri ambao wako private schools walipe, lakini watoto wa walalahoi in public schools wafanye mtihani for free.
Now, the Kenya Airports Authority, KA, has raised safety